Did I just cut myself? I know it's wash day. Okay, we can last one more day. One more day. All right. 1, 2, 3, oh, 5. Great. Wait, I thought I had more than this. Wait, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, wait. Okay, I should have enough if they don't add on tax.
What's up, people? Jheri J here. Hey, and if you want to take control of your 4C hair life, start today. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let's jump in.
I posed a question in my comments section that asks, what do you think would help our community in regards to people loving and accepting their natural hair? So here's the response that I got.
Thank you.
We need good quality, reasonably priced products that really do work. And here in South Africa, they are so costly. So later, this young lady explained people in her community use what they could afford, things like bars of soap and Vaseline. So my initial reaction was, that's crazy. Like, I get it, and I most definitely can relate. Let's do something about this. Hello? Hey, Daddy, it's Jheri. Hey, I just want to let you know I made it to South Africa. I know, right? Oh my God. Look, you remember when they told me that I couldn't make it out the neighborhood? I mean, look at me now, Daddy. Look at me. Hello? Daddy? Let's continue to talk about how to moisturize extremely dry and possibly damaged hair. If you're new to this channel, you should know this is episode 2, and I'll link episode 1 at the end of this video. If you find that your hair is just not responding the way that you want and is not retaining moisture, you need to start with deep conditioning. We are going to create our own natural deep conditioner to help you achieve that goal without settling for crappy ingredients, and we're not gonna break your bank. We are keeping it simple, people. So I encourage you to check that description box below for ingredients, measurements, materials, what have you, and customize this deep conditioner to fit your unique hair care needs. Let's get started. Starting off, you want to bring your water to a boil before you add your oatmeal. Keep stirring as you please because you want this to be as soupy as possible. Yet, you do want the water in the oats to thicken up. I personally boiled my oatmeal for 19 minutes on the dot. After your oatmeal cooled down, you want to go ahead and add some gloves. Put your stocking over your measuring cup or whatever container that you're using and add those oats to the stocking. Here's the fun and messy part. I am into fun and messy. Get your man out the gutter. You want to pour that stocking over those oats and you are going to squeeze out all that goodness. I don't have to explain it. Just watch me go. Next up, you want to grab your oil blend and a container where you can actually blend the ingredients together. I'm using a magic bullet, but hey, you can use your hands, mixer, whatever you choose. We are back. So I took this section out here to try out the deep conditioner because nobody wants a wash day gone wrong. I shampooed, then I applied the deep conditioner to the strands of hair. Now I did this yesterday because I wanted to test out the moisture level with the shampoo, with my leave-in, with my oils. Well, I didn't put any oil on it, but my creams too. So the hair feels great. Your deep conditioner is your base when it comes to moisture. Now, was the moisture good on this deep conditioner? Absolutely. And the slip was most definitely there. Is it the moisture that you're going to receive from a $15 deep conditioner that you buy from the drugstore? No, we do not lie on this channel. However, this is a great place to start if you cannot afford those natural hair care prices. Now, as you can see, the hair is very soft, but the hair is most definitely moisturized. Because I do the most, I'm going to keep experimenting to find that maximum hydration because I'm all about hair science and how it can benefit you. Speaking of hair science, click on the video right on the screen here and let's continue our discussion of moisturizing extremely dry hair. Give this video a thumbs up and be on the lookout for how we're going to actually lock in this moisture at an affordable price for you.